In our modern world, we're surrounded by stuff that seems designed to break. It's called planned obsolescence, and it's a huge part of consumer culture. Companies do this to keep us buying more, and a really effective way they pull this off is with locked down electronics and software. We all know the big names doing this, right? Car companies, video game console makers, smartphone developers, and that certain fruit-themed computer company. But there are other players in this game, some you might not expect. Take power tool manufacturers like Milwaukee. It turns out some of their battery packs might be built to wear out faster than they should. A deep dive by the channel Tool Scientist suggests a big reason why. These packs don't seem to balance their cells. Now, figuring this out wasn't simple. You can't just look at the wiring. The microcontrollers inside the packs are connected to all the cells, but it seems they're only there to report the battery's status, not to actually manage the health of the individual cells. To test this, Tool Scientist intentionally created an imbalance in a battery pack. First, he monitored the internal communications, looking for any signals related to balancing. Nothing. Then, he measured voltage across a specific resistor where you'd expect to see activity if balancing was happening. Again, nothing. He even let the imbalanced battery sit on a charger for 21 days straight. Surely, that would give it time to balance, right? Nope. After all that, and after several full charge and discharge cycles, the imbalance was still there. The conclusion was pretty clear. Milwaukee's M18 battery packs, at least at the time of the video, don't balance their cells. So, what does this mean? When the cells in a lithium-ion battery become imbalanced, the entire pack's performance and lifespan suffer. The charger sees the one highest cell as full and stops charging, even if the others aren't. And during use, it sees the one lowest cell as empty and cuts power, even if the others still have juice. Over time, this imbalance gets worse and worse until the pack barely holds a charge, forcing you to buy a new one. Now, to be fair, maybe Milwaukee decided the extra cost of balancing wasn't worth it, thinking most packs would be fine for years without it. This investigation was from about a year ago, so it's possible they've since updated their design. But let's be realistic. We live in an age of subscription services and endless ways for companies to get more money from us. It seems more likely that this is a deliberate choice to ensure customers have to buy more battery. This wouldn't be out of character either. They already make it notoriously difficult for users to service their own tools or batteries, as others have found when trying to reverse engineer their protocols. This situation feels a lot like what we saw with the early Nissan Leaf electric cars, which famously lacked active thermal management for their batteries, causing them to degrade much faster in hot climates. Was it a cost-cutting measure, an oversight, or just plain laziness? Whatever the reason, the end result for the customer is the same, a product that doesn't last as long as it should. It's a frustrating reminder that sometimes the things we buy are designed not just to work, but also to fail. What do you think? Is this smart business or just a raw deal for consumers? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives.